Okay, in tonight's homework you're going to combine two things you already know. Factoring out a greatest common factor and then factoring a trinomial. So let's go ahead and do it. Tonight's homework, a lot of the times you're going to have to factor out a greatest common factor before you factor the trinomial. So let's look and see what this has in common. Well, I can see that it has a 3x in common. If you look at each of these terms, there's a 3 and there's an x. And that leaves me with 5x squared. 5x squared plus 11x plus 2. Now, you can factor this using the big X method. I'm not going to show you that way. I'm going to show you a guess and check method. So what we do is we want to factor directly into parentheses like this. And don't forget, this 3x needs to follow your answer. So here I have 5x squared. To get to 5x squared, these two numbers multiply to 5x squared. Well, 5 is odd. The only way to get to 5 is 5 and 1. So it has to be 5x and x. Now look at the last term. These two numbers multiply to get 2. Now, it has to be 1 and 2. This is a prime number, so it has to be 1 and 2. So, now, where do you put the 1 and 2? Well, you guess. I'm going to put the 2 over here. I'm going to guess wrong and show you. I'm going to put the 1 over here. So now I have to check to see if this is correct. I'm going to move it over here and do a check. We use the split and distribute method to multiply these. Distribute 5x squared plus. Combine like terms. I get 5x squared plus 7x plus 2. These are not the same, which means I guessed wrong in my original problem. In fact, the answer is 1 goes here and 2 goes there. Now if you were to multiply this out, I'm not going to do it for you, if you were to multiply it out, you would get 5x squared plus 11x plus 2. This is your final answer. Don't forget the 3x, and good luck on the rest of them.